The secret hackers don't want you to know. The act of sending targeted emails to convince you to divulge sensitive financial information or passwords is known as spear phishing. This type of phishing can be quite sophisticated. The old-style ones had spelling and punctuation errors, but today it has become an art, says Mark Pollitt, Ph.D., a former chief of the Computer Forensic Unit of the FBI. Pollitt holds a doctoral degree in computer forensics. They may address you by your given name, refer to your professional title, and refer to a project that you are currently working on. Outsmart us. Phishing emails can be identified by scanning for URLs that are erroneous or strange. You can view the actual URL address by hovering over links, solicitations for personal information or money, suspicious attachments, or a message body that is an image. Do not open attachments or click links in messages unless you are 100% certain that the sender of the message is someone you know. Here's the situation: the fact that hackers have systems that methodically test millions of possible passwords is a closely guarded secret. Hackers do not want you to know this. They go to sleep and wake up in the morning and the program is still going, testing one password combination after another, says Peter Fellini, a security engineer with Zensar Technologies, an IT and software services firm. They go to sleep and the program is still going, testing one password combination after another. Outsmart us. Try using a passphrase as your security measure instead of a password. Use the letters and characters from a sentence, as well as numerals, special characters, uppercase and lowercase letters, and any other appropriate characters. For example, Mary had a little lamb may become on an ul. You might also think about using a password manager, which is software that creates and remembers random passwords that are tough to guess. Despite this, some industry professionals advise using distinct passphrases for bank accounts if the password manager is breached. If you use a hands-free headset and then forget to off the Bluetooth capability on your phone, cybercriminals will be able to quickly connect to your device, alter it, and take your data. Outsmart us. After using Bluetooth, you should always ensure that it is turned off. When you pair your device with another Bluetooth device, set your visibility to off or not discoverable, and request a security code from the other device. Do you wish to avoid using public Wi-Fi? While you surf, we creep about. A growing proportion of cyber attacks are arriving by drive-by download. According to Giovanni Vigna, Ph.D., a computer science professor at the University of California at Santa Barbara and co-founder of anti-malware company Lastline Incorporated, you visit what appears to be a risk-free website. He explains, but in the background, you are redirected to a series of other websites that send you an attack. In many cases, not even the owner of the website is aware that the site's security has been breached. Even though search engines compile blacklists of known harmful websites, the internet's most dangerous websites are always evolving. You may get one up on us by ensuring that all available updates to your browser are installed, or you can use a browser like Firefox that updates itself automatically. According to the findings of Vigna's research, users of Internet Explorer are the most susceptible to these kinds of attacks. We can hack into your smart TV as well as your baby monitor. Keep in mind that the smart gadget you are using is, in essence, a computer, and there's a good probability that it is not especially secure. Anything in your home that is controlled by a system that is connected to the internet can be hacked, including your smart refrigerator and your climate control system. In several situations that have occurred in recent times, hackers have been able to take control of a baby monitor and scream at a child. Additionally, experts have demonstrated how hackers can spy on you by activating the camera on a smart TV. Change the default password on your smart gadget whenever you set it up to beat us at our own game. The majority of these devices get their internet connection via your wireless router. Therefore, securing your Wi-Fi network with a password can also be helpful. Make sure you stay up to speed with the latest firmware upgrades. Many devices will notify you when an update is ready. In any other case, check for an option to update the firmware, either in the primary menu or the settings. We listen in on conversations taking place over open public Wi-Fi networks. Even if your computer is linked to a genuine public network, a man-in-the-middle assault may still provide hackers the ability to eavesdrop on the communication taking place between your device and the hotspot. MetLife Defender is a personal data protection application. Its security specialists recommend that users stay away from public Wi-Fi if at all feasible, especially unsecured networks that do not require users to enter passwords. Instead, use a virtual private network VPN, which you can set up on your smartphone to act as a secure hotspot or join up for a VPN subscription. If you are forced to utilize public Wi-Fi, you should steer clear of conducting any financial transactions and think about installing an extension for your browser like HTTPS Everywhere to encrypt your connections. On Facebook, we will post films labeled as shocking to attract your attention. A buddy of mine just shared a video on Facebook of what they call an unbelievable animal found in Africa. According to Tyler Reguli, manager of security research at the cybersecurity company Tripwire, if you click to watch, you'll be requested to download a media player or take a survey that will install malware on your computer. If you do either of these things, you will be infected with malware. Additionally, it will send the movie to all of your pals. Outsmart us. Enter the title of the video into Google and check to see if it is available on YouTube. Someone has probably already filed a complaint about it if it is a fraud. We profit from whatever errors you may have made. Fake websites with slightly altered URLs such as Microsoft.com or Cheese.com appear to be surprisingly close to the real site you intended to visit. However, these fake websites are designed to steal your data or install malware on your computer. Outsmart us. Before entering your username and password into the site, you should verify that the site's address is correct. This is especially important if the homepage appears to be different. On easy websites, we can crack your password. According to a survey that was conducted in 2014, over half of us use the same password for various websites, which makes it simple for cybercriminals to steal our information. A hacker will break into a soft target like a hiking forum, get your email address and password, and then go to your email account and try to log in with the same password, says Mark Mayfret, Chief Technology Officer of BeyondTrust, a business that specializes in security and compliance management. A hacker will break into a soft target like a hiking forum, get your email address and password, and then try to log in with the same password. Whether that is successful, they will check to see whether you have any emails from a financial institution in your inbox. They will next proceed to your bank account to attempt the same password. Outsmart us. Make use of the straightforward function known as two-factor authentication, which requires more from you when you try to log in than just your login and password. For example, to log into a website, it may be necessary for you to input a code that was created randomly and transmitted to your mobile device in addition to your password. Now, a variety of businesses, including Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and the majority of the world's largest financial institutions, offer at least one version of this protection. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.